It was the week before Christmas in the small town of Winterville. Snow covered the streets, the rooftops, and the trees. The town looked magical, with lights shining from every window. People walked slowly with shopping bags, and children played in the snow, making snowmen and laughing loudly. In a little cafe near the town square worked Anna. She loved Christmas, the snow, and the smell of hot chocolate. Every day she served warm drinks and cookies to people passing by. Anna had a quiet smile, but she felt a little lonely. She loved the Christmas season, but this year she wanted something more, someone special to share it with. One cold morning, a young man named James came into the cafe. He wore a blue coat and a red scarf. He looked tired from walking in the snow, but his eyes were kind. He ordered a hot chocolate and a cinnamon cookie. When he saw Anna smiling at him, he smiled back. Something warm started in both of their hearts, like a small Christmas fire. Every day that week, James returned to the cafe. He always chose the same table near the window and watched the snow falling outside. Anna noticed him and made small talk, bringing extra cookies or a cup of cocoa. Slowly, they began to share little stories about their lives, their favorite Christmas memories, and their dreams for the future. On Christmas Eve, Winterville held a small celebration in the town square. Lights hung from the trees, and music filled the cold air. Anna worked in the cafe all evening, serving hot chocolate to everyone. Suddenly, she saw James outside in the snow. He held a small gift wrapped in red paper. He walked into the cafe carefully, smiling nervously. Anna took the gift. Inside, she found a small ornament for a Christmas tree, a tiny glass heart. She realized that James wanted to share something special with her. Her cheeks warmed, and her heart felt light. That night, they walked together through the snow-covered town square, talking, laughing, and sharing their first Christmas memories together. The streets were quiet, the lights sparkled, and the snow fell softly around them. Anna and James understood something important. Christmas is not only about decorations or presents. It is about love, kindness, and the warmth we share with others. That Christmas, a small cafe in Winterville became a place where hearts met, and a new story of love began.